Okay, viewer request, the Grand Lisboa Palace. I haven't been in this one before at all. It's kind of far removed. It's kind of across from the Wind Palace, which is also equally a little bit removed, which is close to the MGM, which is, to me, they all seem a little bit removed. I'm kind of used to the other side of Taipa, the Kotai Strip. So, so I haven't really explored much in this one. Grand Lisboa Palace. We're gonna check it out. And what I mean by go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. I'm gonna check it out. And what I mean by removed, well, now they have the train. It just started a few months ago, so this might actually make these a little bit more central. But traditionally they're a little bit far removed because the buses don't really come down here yet. They'll probably reroute the buses later though. But actually the tourists take different buses. What I mean by that is there's direct buses from all the immigration points for all the different casinos. So usually the locals, like myself, usually just take the regular buses because they're more convenient to where we live. So, and they don't really come down in this direction hardly at all. So, but anyways, we're gonna go check out this Grand Lisboa Palace right here and we'll let you know what it's all about. Okay, today we're gonna do the Grand Lisboa Palace. I have not been in this one, but this is gonna be it's COVID-19, so I expect most things to be empty. It's May 4th right now. Oh, there's kind of some cool stuff way up at the top there. It's like a little spiral, like a little thing you'd see way up there. Anyways, we're gonna go check it out. Let's go see what it's all about. And it is COVID, so they might be doing some reconstruction, but it looks like there's a bunch of workers that are putting up this thing. They got all this whole thing, and somebody at the front was just kind of telling me that, is it closed? Is it closed?
Yeah, under construction.
Under construction, okay. When is it gonna open?
I think next year.
Next year sometime?
Yeah, because this was supposed to open in 2017.
Oh, 2017?
Yeah.
Okay, it'll be a while. Okay.
Too late.
Too late. Yeah.
Construction still.
I always see it here, but I always wonder what's happening with it.
No, it's
But
construction still, but now it's nearly finished.
oh, that's good.
Yeah, nearly finished.
Oh, okay.
Now only just finishing and cleaning like this work inside.
Oh, okay, that's good. So maybe soon, maybe.
I think, yeah.
But now we have COVID.
New Year or the December, like
December.
in this year December or New Year. Like,
Oh, okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye. So okay, yeah. So actually, some people asked me a little bit about that, and yeah. So I guess that's why there's no bus routes that come here, eh? Because this thing is. But we just try to look at it from the exterior, and this is kind of the location of where it's going to be when it's set up. I don't know what that building is. There's a lot of stuff way over here that I just don't know. But anyways, that's the MGM. That's the Hard Rock Cafe, what used to be Hard Rock Cafe, and now it's like City of Dreams, I guess. There's just some hotels there. City of Dreams is kind of a big complex, so if you saw my other video, it's like a little bit of a labyrinth. This is the Wind Palace, and then this one is this one that's been just sitting here. Yeah, you said it's supposed to be open 2017. Lots of construction workers, so I think it's just a matter of time, I guess. We'll just see. Yeah, anyways, okay, it looks like that's kind of cool right there. It's like a little bit of a ladder that goes up. We'll just see what we can see. I don't know how that's going to be set up later, if people are going to go up there and then go in. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, it's basically a construction site at the moment, but it looks pretty close to being ready. Like it might be looking a little bit like the. Let's look up a little bit. So yeah, I guess you can take those little things up. I don't know who would take those stairs, but somebody might. But I guess you could probably come in from the inside and then you could exit if you wanted to. I don't know. But anyways, this is kind of, has all the lighting as if it's open. Grand Lisboa Palace. So yeah, everything is basically construction workers. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Looks pretty cool though. It might be a parking garage. I don't know. It looks like I can see a little bit of lighting in there. Anyways, Hello. Hello. So I guess this is probably the parking garage area. So later people can come and go in and out of here. And looks like what we'll do, maybe we'll just walk across a little bit. Looks like that might be under construction too. I saw a bus that went down that way. Anyways, it's quiet here, eh? So this is down at nighttime in this area. So mostly construction workers. And that's gonna be the side of it. Let's see if we can jump across here. And go across like that. One solo car. And then looks like more construction of something else. Macau has a lot of construction. Somebody did ask me specifically about this one, so this is basically what it looks like. Okay. So you know about as much as I do, but this is basically it. Looks like a kind of cool view though from here. Actually looking at it from this view, it's like a little bit unfortunate that this building, there's this big tall structure right here. Well, somebody owns this right in front of it, so they kind of block the coolness of it, of how impressive this view would be if they had this viewpoint as well. I'm sure they're aware of that, but that kind of separates. This is like some kind of warehouse structure, CEM, I think electricity grid or something. I'm not sure, but I think they do like work around the city. But basically, they kind of that kind of blocks out that building. Anyways, I'm sure the building would be cool, and there's a full moon up there too, almost a full moon. Anyways, pretty cool looking, but it's just kind of thinking that's funny that one building blocks it out like that. Anyways.
Toma cuidado la voz